welcome back to my channel. So in this video I had previously, before I even started a YouTube, I had this subscription service. It is $10 a month with Sephora. I think when I initially had it, I had it for like almost 2 years maybe, and I just had a ton of product. Some of them were good, some, you know, not so good. Now, if you're not familiar, which most of you probably are already, it is all deluxe sample sizes, so nothing comes ever full size that I'm aware of or that I know of. So it is $10 a month, so it's like $10.89 with tax or something. I did go ahead and sign up for the August box because I wanted to see if it had changed since I last was subscribed to it, and nothing's really changed that much. I probably won't continue this box. There are a couple other boxes that I have in mind that I want to go ahead and try. Which one of them is the BoxyCharm box. I've seen so many videos on that, and I feel like it's definitely worth the price. So look forward to that coming here soon. I'm going to be signing up for that here shortly. And there's a couple other ones that I've seen. They're not real big known ones, but I want to go ahead and give those a try as well because they have 5 to 7 full-size products. I think one of the boxes is $14.99 and another one maybe about $11.99, $12.99. So I will let you guys know on those as well. I did pay for this myself. I do give you an additional 50 bonus points. However, you do have to go in the store and make a purchase in order to get these. That's a plus, but then you also have to make a purchase, so not so great. It does come with this little pamphlet, which kind of goes over and talks about each of the products. So I will pull that out for you guys. And I did kind of take a peek at this box already. It looks like majority of these are going to be skincare items. Do I need more skincare? Not really. So I'll probably pass some of these along or keep them for a future giveaway to give to you guys because, yeah, I probably don't need hardly anything of these. But the theme it says is your beauty sidekicks. Every superhero needs a sidekick. I'm just looking at this to read to you guys. This month you get 6 from killer strands to glowing skin. All new beauty will make you feel like superheroes. So let's go ahead and dive into it. It does come in this little, they used to give you like a cute little makeup bag, but it looks like now they're putting in this little plastic kind of bag or whatever. Guess it's a recycling bag, so that's kind of good. But you can also hang on to it and use it as like a little gift bag if you want it, or I could save it for when I do the giveaway and put products in it. That would be really, really cute. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But let's go ahead and get into the bag. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab, like I said, I had sneak peeked, but I haven't actually like dive in and looked at each product or anything like that. So the first product I pulled out is a Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base, and it looks like that. This is a 0.24 fluid ounce, and it says here it's an oil-free moisturizer, moonlights as a primer and uses the power of antioxidants to help protect the skin. Sounds fairly nice. I think that I probably would keep this one to try because I've never tried anything from Bobbi Brown, so that's pretty cool. I don't know the retail value of this. I guess I should have brought that up. Let me see if I can take a look and quickly do that. They have it in 2 sizes. They have a 1.7 ounce, which is $60, and they have a 0.50 ounce, which is $20. And so the bigger one comes in a jar like this, but much bigger obviously. And then the other one comes in a container kind of like this, but obviously smaller. It's like a travel size. So I'm excited to try that out and see how that is. And then the next product, it looks like, is from Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Smooth Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. Protects and perfects medium to thick hair. And it looks like that. It is a 0.85 fluid ounce. I'm just And then it says here on the little postcard, it says, Frizz is no match for this smoothing, protective live-in cream. And this retails for, it looks like a 5.1 ounce is $34. So that's kind of pricey. I don't know if I'm going to keep this product or not because I have so many other products. But I may look at the reviews and see. If not, I will definitely keep this for a giveaway that's coming up here soon. I can add that to that because I do have some other things that I like a lot better. So this is the Rin Clean Skincare Global Protection Day Cream. It says it's for sensitive skin. And here it says that it's a providing comfort and protection for skin in distress and antioxidant packed creams specialty. It says it's a protection day cream. It looks like this. I think I'm definitely going to save that for a giveaway as well because I have a lot of skincare creams already. But I'm definitely going to let you guys know what the price of this is. So a 1.7 ounce is $49, which is kind of a lot. So yeah, I'm going to save that for a giveaway. So far I'm not too happy with this box. I mean, the Bobbi Brown, I guess you could say that's worth the $10, but not so much. The next thing I have is an Algenus Genius Sleeping Collagen. This is, it says, keep saving the day even while you sleep with this vegan collagen-packed night cream that fights the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It is a 0.27 ounce. I'm not going to open it because I am going to save this for a giveaway. If you guys hear my dogs, I'm sorry. They're barking. And then let's see how much that one retails for. That retails for $98 and it's a 2 fluid ounce. So it might be a really good product. I may give it a try. I may not. Like I said, I just have so many other products. And then I have this Sunday Riley High Dosed Retinoid Serum. It says it's a retinoid serum with super strength and a gentle side. Is exactly what you need to combat the looks of fine lines and wrinkles and dark spots. This I might give a try because I have heard a lot of great things from the Sunday Riley skincare, and I heard a lot of people raving about this. So I will probably give this a try and see. I am starting to get little lines and stuff around my eyes and all of that. So I may give this one a try. It does retail for $85 for the full size and a 1 fluid ounce. So that may be really good. I'm going to give that a try. And then the last item that I have is from Buxom. It's one of their full plumping lip creams in Hot Toddy. It's a nude, it says a shimmer-free cream gloss and a toasty nude shade, wraps lips in moisture, visually plumps lips, fits in your pocket so you can take it on the go. I absolutely love the Buxom lip products. I have some of them already. They smell so good. As far as the lip plumping, I would say they have like that minty feel on the lips. They do feel really nice. They're not sticky. They're not tacky. They feel really, really good. They last a long time even with transfer on the lips, and they're hydrating. This I think I'm going to keep for a giveaway. I'm not going to keep it for myself because I have so many already and I don't need another one, and I have something similar to this color anyways, so there's no sense in me keeping it. I'm definitely going to keep that for you guys for a giveaway, and I'm just going to put these back in here, the ones that I'm keeping for you guys. Let me see how much that retails for, and I'm sorry, in this video I'm looking down a lot and reading this little card. Okay, so they retail for $21 full size, and I definitely think they are worth it. I do have others, like I said, but my last little takes on this, I would probably say that I probably will not go ahead and continue this. I feel like it has some hits and misses. Keep in mind there are 2 products I'm going to keep, which I think are worth the $10 that I paid, but I don't think I'm going to continue. I'd rather get full-size products and pay a little bit more. And because I was subscribed to this previously and I just had a ton of little samples, which is great for when you're traveling, if you're a traveler. A lot of them I did give away to people and all of that. But I think I'm not going to continue this, but I did want to just share this box with you guys and let you know what my thoughts on it. I feel like it hasn't really changed since I've had it. And maybe it was just this box in general. I did look at previous boxes before reapplying for this, and I thought that it would be a little better, but I'm still not 100% on it, so I'm probably not going to continue. But I did want to share with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm going to be subscribing to a couple others. The big one is the BoxyCharm, so look for those videos here coming up. But I do want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you got this box or if you got something different in your Sephora Play box. And also let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see any other specific type of videos from me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching. And until the next video, I will see you later. Bye.